Breaking news is about BJP MLAs staging a protest at Maharashtra State Assembly in Mumbai against suspension of 12 of its legislators. The monsoon session of the Maharashtra Assembly started with chaos yesterday as the House suspected 12 MLAs of the BJP for a year abusing and manhandling the Speaker in chair. That's the big story coming in at the moment. Mustafa joining us for the very latest on this. So Mustafa, what's going on right there with these protests? BJP MLA staging a protest at the Maharashtra State Assembly. Walk our viewers through the latest and why they're not wearing masks.
Well, yes, a day after 12 MLAs of the BJP were suspended from the two-day monsoon session for a year, the BJP, you can see the chairs are being taken here. The BJP has made a makeshift shadow assembly outside the real assembly of Maharashtra, and veteran BJP leader Kalidas Kolamkar, we can see he's been made the chair of this makeshift assembly. The BJP MLAs are saying because their issues are not being heard in the assembly sessions, be it OBC reservation, Maratha issue, and adding to this the suspension of 12 MLAs for a year. These BJP MLAs are saying that they will be running their own assembly outside this real Maharashtra assembly, and a high drama being seen in the two-day assembly session with opposition being aggressive on various stance, mainly that the opposition was not allowed to speak. At the same time, today the discussion on agriculture laws which are to be tabled by the state are going to be discussed. That is also going to be a political issue in this two-session assembly. Back to you.
It's a lot of action coming in right there from Mumbai. As you can see, we'll continue tracking these details in much detail. For now, thanks Mustafa for joining us with all these details. And stay